because you are the baddest babies on the whole of YouTube. You know that?
We're not babies.
Yeah, you are. You're bad on YouTube.
You're daddy.
You're bad at school.
Daddy the elf look.
I know. You're bad at school. You're bad at home. You're bad everywhere. Yeah. Ready? No. I have got some brand new spy glasses. Look at them. The spy glasses. And there's a camera there and a microphone there, so we can use these for our YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go show Angel and Leo, they're doing the homework. Angel?
My homework.
Yes you are. Go back to that table, let me see what you're doing.
Watching my iPad.
Leo? What are you doing? Turn this light on.
I'm watching my laptop.
And what are you watching? Tiana? You're watching Tiana again? Do you know what, right? You two are supposed to be doing homework.
I'm not listening.
Well, you better listen.
Not me either.
What do you mean, not either? That is not schoolwork.
But I'll punch you in the eyeball.
You're gonna do what?
Punch you in the eyeball. First you're gonna get some flirts.
And what do you think I'm gonna do? If you two guys refuse to do your homework, no, I've told you last time. I told you last time. Come here, on that table. Right, I told you last time, if you watch Tiana or if you watch YouTube, it goes in the bin. Okay, right.
Give me my iPad.
And that goes in the bin. And you're not having them back. No. No. Ah! Right, that's it. You two think you can. Come here. That's it. I'll tell you what, right? I'm taking these sunglasses off and I've got a prank that I'm going to do on both of you. See how funny you are? I'm taking my spy glasses off and I'm going to do a real good prank on you.
Why are you doing a prank on you?
No, you're not going to do a prank on me. Get back.
I'm going to pull you in the hot.
No, you're not. Come here. No. Nope. No. Yeah. Ready? That's what you get. No, that's what you get. And that's what you get.
Yeah, you are
No, right.
You are serving me and I'm going to pay.
No, right, listen. We're going to sit and have a chat. Come over here, please.
You're going to pay for this.
I'm not going to pay for this. Come over here, please.
Are.
Come over here. Come over here. No, guys.
You pay for this.
No, I won't pay for it.
Yeah,
you two are going to start being here. Are you sorry?
But you're going to pay for this.
I'm not going to pay for this.
Yeah,
Are you sorry?
Are.
No. There's going to be no pulling in. You two are going to start doing your homework, or I'm throwing your iPad in this hot tub. No.
That's what you get.
Leo!
That's what you get.
No, you don't do that to your daddy. That is so naughty.
Yeah.
And do you know something? I had a boat. I had a boat to put in this hot tub, but you're not having it now. You are so cheeky.
Get us the
And what I do, sneaky people, I lift them right in the air like that in the studio. Oh, you got some. Come here.
Give me that bow. Give me the bow.
No.
Give me the bow. Give me the bow.
Okay.
Give me the bow.
Ow! Right, are you two going to be really well behaved from now on? Because this is not even funny.
No.
This is not even funny.
No.
This is not funny.
No.
Are the baddest babies on the whole of YouTube. You know that?
We're not babies.
Yeah, you are. You're bad on YouTube.
You're
bad at school.
Daddy the elf look.
I know, you're bad at school, you're bad at home, you're bad everywhere. I'm going to get the boats as long as you promise to behave.
Okay, smelly pants. Okay.
You two, you're going to behave?
Yeah, maybe.
No, you are.
Maybe.
You two are so naughty. I'm going to get them boats and I might have you let you have a little go on them. I've got to go to the car soaking wet. Oh, I'm gonna get them so good. I'm gonna get them. Here's the boat. You think it can float with you to it? Quick. Ready? Oh no! Oh no! It sinks! Elio, it sinks!